Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 revolutionized the way people capture their adventures, offering advanced filming capabilities in a small, portable design. This compact yet powerful device quickly became a favorite among professional content creators, vloggers, travel enthusiasts, and everyday users who wanted to record high-quality footage without the bulk of traditional camera gear. With superior stabilization, a larger sensor, and an intuitive flip screen, the Osmo Pocket 3 set a high bar for pocket-sized gimbals. Now, with the highly anticipated launch of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 in 2025, the excitement is building. Rumors and leaks suggest that this next-generation model will bring significant upgrades, including higher resolution, improved stabilization, enhanced tracking features, and better battery life. Whether you're a vlogger, travel enthusiast, filmmaker, or simply someone who loves capturing everyday moments, the Osmo Pocket 4 promises to redefine portable filmmaking. In this video, let's dive deep into everything we know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 and explore how it might set a new benchmark in the world of compact cameras. The evolution of the Osmo Pocket series. The Osmo Pocket series has always been known for its compact form factor and powerful camera performance. The Osmo Pocket 3 made significant strides with a larger 1-inch sensor, an articulating OLED touchscreen, and advanced tracking features. These enhancements allowed creators to capture more dynamic, vibrant, and stable footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. With the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI is expected to take things to the next level with several key hardware and software improvements that cater to both casual users and professionals alike. Major expected upgrades in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Higher camera resolution and improved image quality. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is an increase in resolution from 4K to 5.4K. While this might seem like a small jump, the extra resolution is invaluable for content creators who want sharper details, better clarity, and more flexibility in post-production. A 20mm f/2.0 lens is expected to accompany the new sensor, delivering stunning dynamic range, vibrant colors, and improved low-light performance. This makes the Osmo Pocket 4 an ideal choice for shooting cinematic content, allowing users to capture high-resolution landscapes, action shots, and travel vlogs with stunning depth and clarity. More powerful processor for enhanced performance. A newly upgraded processor is rumored to power the Osmo Pocket 4, improving its overall efficiency. This could mean faster image processing for ultra-smooth video playback, reduced noise in low-light conditions, sharper, more natural-looking still photography, improved heat management for extended recording sessions. For still photography enthusiasts, this enhanced image processor could result in better dynamic range, richer colors, and more lifelike textures in both RAW and JPEG formats. Upgraded 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen. The Osmo Pocket 3's flip screen was a game-changer, allowing users to effortlessly switch between front-facing and rear-facing views. However, some users reported mechanical issues with the flip mechanism, including stiff movement and durability concerns. DJI is rumored to have addressed these concerns by reinforcing the hinge design and making the screen more responsive and durable. The Osmo Pocket 4's new 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen is also expected to have a 480 by 800 resolution and a peak brightness of 800 nits, ensuring crystal clear visibility, even in bright sunlight. This will make it easier for users to frame their shots, adjust settings on the fly, and review footage without struggling with glare. Next-level stabilization and Active Track 7.0. Stabilization has always been one of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket series, thanks to its 3-axis mechanical gimbal. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to push this even further with a more refined stabilization system, ensuring ultra-smooth footage whether you're walking, running, or biking. The introduction of Active Track 7.0 is another major highlight. This rumored AI-powered tracking system could include phase detection autofocus for faster subject recognition, eye tracking to keep moving subjects in perfect focus, more intelligent subject prediction for fast-moving action shots. These upgrades would make the Osmo Pocket 4 one of the most advanced compact cameras for tracking and stabilizing subjects in real time. Extended battery life for longer shooting sessions. Battery life is crucial for vloggers and travelers who spend long hours filming. The Osmo Pocket 3 offered up to 166 minutes of battery life, but the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to extend this to around 200 minutes per charge. This additional power means fewer interruptions and more time capturing unforgettable moments. Software and firmware improvements. Beyond hardware, DJI is known for continually refining its software through firmware updates. The Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch with more intuitive gesture controls for quick shooting adjustments, AI-powered enhancements for automated cinematic effects, live streaming capabilities with improved stabilization for mobile content creators, better color science for more natural skin tones and vibrant landscapes. These software upgrades ensure that the Osmo Pocket 4 remains a relevant and powerful tool for years to come. Why the Osmo Pocket 4 is a game changer. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be the most powerful pocket-sized camera DJI has ever created. Its combination of portability, enhanced resolution, better stabilization, and smarter tracking features makes it an attractive choice for vloggers looking for an all-in-one compact filming solution, travelers who need a lightweight yet powerful camera, action sports enthusiasts who require smooth, high-quality footage. Professional content creators need a secondary, discreet camera for dynamic shots. Final thoughts. Is the Osmo Pocket 4 worth the hype? With anticipated improvements in resolution, stabilization, tracking, battery life, and screen quality, the Osmo Pocket 4 has the potential to redefine portable videography. Whether you're a casual user capturing daily moments or a professional filmmaker looking for a compact yet powerful tool, this camera ticks all the right boxes. As we await official confirmation from DJI, one thing is certain. The Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting camera releases of 2025. Are you as excited about the Osmo Pocket 4 as we are? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest tech updates, reviews, and breaking news. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, keep creating.